Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making the sweetened condensed milk from whole milk. This is a very simple recipe we are going to make today. So stay tuned and let's jump right into making this tasty treat. Ingredients for today's condensed milk include 1 cup of whole milk, half cup of white granulated sugar. Also be using a non-stick pan with the silicone spatula and a milk jug. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. To begin, we are going to pour out the milk from the container that the milk is into the measuring cup, which is measuring 1 cup exactly. Then we transfer it from the cup into the milk jug. Next, we place onto the source of heat a saucepan with the silicone spatula in it, and then we pour the milk into it. We then add in the sugar, and then we stir continuously till the sugar dissolves and the mixture thickens up. This is a slow but very rewarding process, and it takes about 3 to 5 minutes for everything to come together to form the sweetened condensed milk. Before we get into the next aspect, please my loves, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you haven't, kindly do so now by clicking on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. There is nothing being charged for just subscribing and joining this delicious and amazing team every single day on your screens. Please subscribe and I promise you are going to enjoy it. After it is cooked through and through, we are going to transfer it back into the milk jug, and then we scrape any excesses in the pan with the spatula. Then we cover the milk jug and then place it into the fridge for it to cool off significantly. And this is how it looks like. Just look at how thick it is. Try this recipe and let me know your thoughts. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.